Alright, let's try this transition. Alright, well that was that. And now here's this. To accomplish this effect, we're going to be using keyframing and the masking tool. Prior experience is beneficial, but not required. Keep watching, it's pretty easy, you'll get it.
The first thing we do is head over to footagecrate.com and download our clips. You'll need to create a free account, which allows you to download 5 items per day. Navigate to VFX and Media Elements to the Magic Power section. Choose Energy and Electric. Uncheck the Preview Pro content box and download the 2 electric arc clips. After you get those 2, go back to the Magic Power section, but this time head to Strange Effects. Again, unselect Preview Pro content and download Spark Portal Generation. Again, go back into Magic Powers and select Magic Circles. Uncheck Preview Pro content and download whichever style Magic Circle you like. Finally, don't forget to download some sound clips. In my case, I selected Electricity Hum Build, Electricity Hum Low, and get a whoosh of your choice. Start by loading your 2 clips into the library and placing them in the timeline. Trim the clips to your desired start and end points. Find the clips from Footage Crate and import them into your library. Locate the part in your clip where you want to start generating the portal. Cut it and place it on the upper timeline. Now take the portal generation and place it in the above timeline. Scrub it a few times so that you get a good idea of the timing of the portal generation clip. We're basically going to place a track mask inside the portal and grow it until it is out of frame. If you haven't worked with masking, then this might be a bit challenging, but don't get discouraged. The more you use them, you'll start to understand it a bit more. Go to your effects, search for masks, then drag the Shape Mask tool on top of the clip we just cut. With that top clip selected, go over to the Clip Settings window. Expand Transforms and set a keyframe for position, rotation, and scale. Since we set the 1 keyframe, now anytime we adjust the mask, it will automatically create the keyframe for us. Back up here in the mask settings, let's select the Invert Mask box, and notice how it's easier to work with. Now we're just going to adjust the mask inside the portal generator as it grows. Take a look at it so far. Let's take another look at it. Okay, see the portal still there? Since we want the portal generator to grow until it's out of frame, we're going to use keyframes and adjust the size to accomplish that. You're also going to need to readjust the track mask since we've changed the size of the portal. Now we can move on to the hand shields, and it's basically using the same principles that we've already done with key masks and sizing. Find the part in the clip where you want to start generating the hand shields and drag the 2 electric generator clips above your source clip. Adjust the shape and size. Now we can move on to the hand shields, and it's basically using the same principles that we've already done with key masks and sizing. We're going to do 1 hand at a time. There's 1 hand, now onto the other one. Same thing we've been doing, drag the clip onto the timeline, use keyframes and adjust the size. Here's what it'll look like. Don't forget to add sounds to tie it together. And in the end, this is what my timeline looks like. You could, of course, spend much more time refining this transition, or you could just use it as is as a fun transition for your next video. But that's basically it. So hopefully you had fun and or learned something that will help you in your future projects. But the main thing was that you had fun. So that's it, friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.